So this has been left out here baking in the sun for the 2 days straight now. And so far I'm not seeing any sign of any kind of degrading or damage at all. Like not even anything that would suggest that this can handle it. I mean, it's pretty warm right now, but it's not soft, it's not sticky. I even put these cable ties here. Some of these are super old. They've been out here in the sun as well. Don't see any sign of damage from UV exposure whatsoever. Even this thin one here, I don't see anything. Like this is just a bad print, but I don't see anything that would suggest that these take damage from UV line. What I can imagine is gonna happen is they will, maybe over the course of a year, they might fade in color. But other than that, I don't think much is gonna happen. And this is another experiment I did. This has been baking here in this greenhouse for, well, 2 days straight as well. And this is very thinly printed because this was just to fine-tune the nozzle, but I don't see this showing any sign of damage from either UV or heat at all. Like, it looks exactly like the day I put it on. Oh yeah,